Welcome to Violeta Ink series All About, where every week I show you two blending combinations for every single one of the Copic markers. Today we are talking about YG45. It's a very non-organic green, but the bonus combination, it is going to be very organic for all the botanicals that I color every day. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, nibs, and Prismacolor pencils. Thank you.
We are starting with YG45. And at this moment is when I realized I think that needed to be refilled, but I kind of remember I did. I didn't record this video just right now. Anyway, this is what I was telling you. The first two, YG45 and YG41, to me, they do not look very organic. But when I added YG61, because there's no other on the family, uh, it gave it a little bit more of a organic look. We're underpainting with RVO2. It has a lot of colorless blender, but it still does the job. We're going on top with YG41 and YG61. The bonus combination, I wanted it more organic, of course. So we are using the first two, YG45, YG41, and at the end, very slowly, YGO3. It does have a lot of colorless blender also, but it gives such a good organic green. For the Prismacolor pencil, I did need to use two pencils. I started with PC936 Slate Gray. Why the slate? Why a gray with a YG, a green? Because I felt that it needed that opaque, mm, non-living kind of look. So that is why I thought, okay, slate gray, that's it. And then, of course, I added PC 920 light green. This light green, it also gives you a non-organic feel. So when it goes on top of slate gray, I think that's the best combination to mimic YG45. And now we're going to show you the difference when you underpaint and when you do not underpaint. We're going to start with the natural family combination, which is YG45, YG41, and YG61, not underpainted. Under, we're going to start with RVO2. Let's go again with the speed. The first one, the underpainted is going to be very small, very fast. You don't want to deposit a lot of ink, so you can actually go over it with your YG45, YG41, YG61. Remember, the first one is the fastest, then a little bit slower, and the last one, the one that is you're gonna use the slowest, is going to be YG61. Why does it go the slowest? Because if you go slow, you're gonna deposit more ink, and that's gonna give the ink the opportunity to finish blending. That's the chemical reaction that I talk about, but you need a lot of ink for that. And then the bonus combination is YG45, YG41, and YGO3. We are underpainting with the same number, of course, RVO2. And you can see the difference, which wing looks behind the other, the bottom ones. Why? Because those are underpainted. If you see both sides of the wings, which one looks more natural to you? Which one would you say, oh, this is a nice green for an apple? And maybe the other apple you will not choose. It does not look very healthy. So, of course, you will go with the right one. That's why I always said that that looks organic. And YG45, YG41 to me, they don't look organic. So we're finishing the painting here. And this is all about YG45. The natural family combination is YG45, YG41, and YG61. We are underpainting with RVO2. The bonus combination is YG45, YG41, and YG03. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.